Welcome to VendLife Factory. We are a manufacturer since 2009. My name is Sohan and I want to show you the different stage of production of a vending machine. Our factory is 50,000 square meters. Now we are in the first floor, where the machine casing are assembled with the sheet metal department. Here they are bending the sheet metal of machine casing. Next, I will take you to the assembly shop. Here we are in the third floor, where we are making and assembling the doors, the frames, the glasses, and 100 of pieces of the vending machine to create the best final product for you. Here is where the drinks and snacks vending machine are assembled. And here is the hot food vending machine. Here is the fresh foods and vegetables vending machine. And here is the blind box vending machine. Now, I want to show you the fifth floor. Follow me. On the fifth floor, we have the offices and the warehouse. We also offer custom manufacturing to meet your needs. You're also more than welcome to come visit us in China. Thanks for watching.